In this video, I'll show you how to convert Solana to USDC in Trust Wallet. This video is really for educational purposes only. Make sure you watch what I'm going to show you in this video. Now open up your Trust Wallet. So if you have Solana in your Trust Wallet and you love to convert it to a stablecoin, that is the USDC, I'll show you what you need to do. Open up your Discover, go to Solana, search for Radium. So I'm going to click on it. So this is going to come out. So I'm currently connected to my Radium. So you need to have some Solana in your Trust Wallet for you to be able to do this. So select the Solana option, click on this, click on USDC. Now from here you can be able to come on here and convert your Solana to USDC on your Trust Wallet. So if you have, let me say 100 Solana, you can be able to convert it to, I think, this amount that is going to show right here below. So it's going to be able to compute everything for you. So you can see the amount that is showing right here. So you need at least 0.001 so to pay for gas fee. So this is how you can do this. If you found this video helpful, share your thoughts below in the comment section. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next video.